After Bismarck City Commissioners gave their stamp of approval tonight, Bismarck will become the latest North Dakota city to offer shelter and care for people in need with coronavirus. It's an initiative by the Burley-Morton County COVID-19 Task Force to provide a place to stay for those without shelter, whether because of homelessness, domestic abuse, or otherwise.
We would get phone calls from either the hospitals or the emergency rooms trying to find someone that could take care of an individual that was considered to be infectious, so homeless, COVID positive, and in need of shelter.
Starting Monday of next week until December 31st, the location will offer a motel room, food, clean clothes, transportation, and other assistance needed for recovering from the virus.
When they get to their room, they're given the instructions on isolation and what they're required to do. They're gone. I guess the nurse will go through any medications that they need to determine if they need help with paying for their prescription or if they need their medications to be picked up, that kind of a thing.
The location will house roughly 5 to 10 people per week over the next 3 months, with a price tag of about $450,000, coming from a mix of local, state, and federal CARES Act money.
It's kind of above and beyond what we're able to handle here with just our local health units.
People will be allowed to stay for up to 14 days, the time frame recommended for quarantine. Minot has had a similar shelter since April, and they took their first person in late June. Ward County Human Services Zone Director Melissa Bliss says the current sheltering options in the area are limited, making this program especially important.
We don't have any other homeless shelter here in Minot, so it's a little bit different as far as just that population of homeless individuals. And so Fargo and Grand Forks certainly had the lion's share of experience in how this was working.
Bliss says they're going to continue the program indefinitely.
To be out basically wandering the streets or staying someplace without telling anyone and having this spread further. So I think this is a definite necessity.
The Bismarck location will begin sheltering people starting September 14th until the end of 2020. Nicholas and Lauren, back to you.
Maddie, Beer Temple reporting.